everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Today, where learning English is easy and fun. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Amrin. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. Are you ready to go to the supermarket?
Yes, I am ready, but I feel a little nervous.
That's okay. Many people feel nervous at first.
I want to speak English, but I am afraid of making mistakes.
Don't worry. Making mistakes is normal. I will help you.
Thank you, Alex. That makes me feel better.
You're welcome. Let's go inside.
Wow, this supermarket is very big.
Yes, it is. Many supermarkets in the USA are big.
There are so many people.
Yes, but everyone is busy shopping. No one is watching you.
That is good to hear.
First, let's take a shopping cart.
Excuse me, where can I get a shopping cart?
Very good sentence, Amrin.
Really?
Yes, you said it perfectly.
Thank you. I feel more confident now. Alex, I need to buy milk.
Okay, let's find the milk section.
Excuse me, Alex. How do I ask someone for help?
You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Excuse me, can you help me?
Very good. Then you can say what you need.
Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for milk.
Excellent.
Thank you. Alex, there are many kinds of milk.
Yes, there is whole milk, low-fat milk, and almond milk.
I want low-fat milk.
Good choice.
How can I ask the price?
You can say, "How much is this?"
How much is this?
Perfect.
Alex, I also need bread.
Okay, the bread section is over there.
Excuse me, where is the bread section?
That's a great question.
I am happy I can ask questions now.
You are doing very well.
Alex, I see white bread and brown bread.
Yes, which one do you like?
I like brown bread.
Then put it in the cart.
Okay. Alex, what should we buy next?
Let's buy some fruits.
I like apples.
Apples are healthy.
How do I ask for apples?
You can say, "Where can I find apples?"
Where can I find apples?
Very nice.
Alex, these apples look fresh.
Yes, they do.
How many apples should I buy?
Maybe 4 or 5.
Okay, I will take 5 apples. Alex, I want to ask someone if these apples are sweet.
You can say, "Are these apples sweet?"
Are these apples sweet?
Perfect question.
Thank you. I am learning a lot. Alex, I feel more confident now.
I'm happy to hear that.
Speaking English in the supermarket is not so hard.
Exactly. You just need practice.
Thank you for helping me, Alex.
You're welcome, Amrin.
Are we ready to go to the cashier?
Yes, but we will practice that in the next step.
Okay, I'm excited.
Great. You are doing amazing.
Alex, I think we have everything.
Yes, our cart is full now.
I feel a little nervous again.
That's normal. The cashier conversation is very easy.
Okay, I will try. Hello.
Hello. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Great. Please put your items here.
Alex, what does the cashier usually say?
They often say, "Did you find everything?" or "How are you?"
I understand now.
Do you have a store card?
No, I don't.
That's okay.
Alex, I want to use a bag.
You can say, "I need a bag, please."
I need a bag, please.
Very good. Would you like paper or plastic?
Plastic, please.
Sure.
Alex, I want to pay now.
The cashier will tell you the total. Your total is $25.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Please insert your card.
Okay.
Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Alex, what if I want to pay cash?
You can say, "I will pay cash."
I will pay cash.
Good.
Alex, what if the price is wrong?
You can say, "Excuse me, I think this price is wrong."
Excuse me, I think this price is wrong.
That's a polite sentence.
Alex, what if I forget one item?
You can say, "I forgot one item."
I forgot one item.
Very good.
Alex, the cashier is very friendly.
Yes, small talk is common in the USA.
I like that.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Alex, I did it.
Yes, you did very well.
I spoke English at the supermarket.
I'm proud of you.
I feel confident now.
That's the goal.
Thank you for practicing with me.
Always happy to help.
Alex, I want to learn how to handle problems in the supermarket.
That's a very important skill. Let's practice.
Okay, I'm ready. Alex, what if I buy something and it is damaged?
You can go to the service desk.
What do I say there?
You can say, "Excuse me, I have a problem with this item."
Excuse me, I have a problem with this item.
Perfect.
Excuse me, this bottle is broken.
That is very clear.
I feel nervous, but I can say it.
You're doing great.
Alex, what if I want to return something?
You can say, "I would like to return this, please."
I would like to return this, please.
Very polite.
What if they ask me why?
You can say, "I don't need it," or "It doesn't work."
It doesn't work.
Good answer.
Alex, what if I don't have the receipt?
You can say, "I don't have the receipt."
I don't have the receipt.
That's fine. They may still help you.
Alex, what if I need to exchange an item?
You can say, "I would like to exchange this."
I would like to exchange this.
Excellent.
Alex, what if I need help carrying bags?
You can ask, "Can you help me with these bags?"
Can you help me with these bags?
Very good.
Alex, what if I can't find something?
You can say, "I can't find this item."
I can't find this item.
Nice and clear.
Alex, sometimes I don't understand fast English.
That's okay. You can say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Sorry, can you say that again?
Perfect sentence.
What if I still don't understand?
You can say, "Can you speak more slowly, please?"
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Very polite.
Alex, what if the cashier gives me the wrong change?
You can say, "Excuse me, I think this is wrong."
Excuse me, I think this is wrong.
Good job.
Alex, what if an item is missing from my bag?
You can say, "One item is missing."
One item is missing.
That's clear.
Alex, I feel more confident now.
I can hear that in your voice.
Problems are not scary anymore.
Exactly. English helps you solve problems.
Thank you for practicing with me, Alex.
You're welcome.
I'm ready for the final practice.
Great. That will be in the next part.
Alex, this is my last practice.
Yes, this time you will speak more freely.
I feel confident now.
That's great. Let's start.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to the supermarket.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I'm looking for rice and cooking oil.
They are in aisle 6.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, where can I find eggs?
Eggs are at the back of the store.
Okay, thank you. Alex, I found everything.
Great. Let's go to the checkout.
Hello.
Hi. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, I did.
Good. Your total is $30.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, please.
Here is my card.
Please insert your card.
Done.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Alex, I want to try again with a longer conversation.
Okay. This time, speak without stopping.
Hello, I'm looking for fresh vegetables and fruit. Can you tell me where they are?
Sure. Vegetables are on the left and fruit is near the entrance.
Thank you. Also, is there any discount today?
Yes, apples are on sale.
That's great. I will take some apples. Excuse me, are these apples sweet?
Yes, they are very sweet.
Perfect. I will buy them. Alex, I feel comfortable speaking now.
I can hear that. Your English sounds natural.
Hello, I would like to return this item.
Sure. What is the problem?
It doesn't work.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I will help you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Alex, this feels like real life. That's the goal.
I can speak English in a supermarket.
Yes, you can.
I am not afraid anymore.
I'm very proud of you.
Thank you for practicing with me, Alex.
Always happy to help.
I will practice every day.
That's the best way to improve.
I can speak English confidently.
Yes, you are ready.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed practicing English with us today.
Remember, speak slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. And practice every day.
Subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations.
See you in the next video. Bye.